Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss fractional knapsack problem. Statement is also same as the 0 over by 1 knapsack problem. Here also we have n objects along with knapsack or bag. For each object I is having some weight Wi and profit Pi. The capacity of our bag is M. We need to include objects into the bag as Xi. Xi is either 0 or 1. For that we get a profit of Pixi. And the space occupied within the bag or knapsack is Wixi. We need to include objects by satisfying the above conditions. Okay, n equal to 3, m equal to 20, and these are three weights and these three are profits. Now go to the solution. First take first object, that means x1 equal to 1, and after filling x1, m minus w1 is equal to 20 minus 10. There will be 10 more is free. Okay, here if we fill first object as 10 units, that means first object's weight is 10 units, then there will be 10 units of free space in bag. Okay, for that we substitute any of two objects, remaining objects, that means either x2 or x3, but they can be filled directly. We have to make fraction of those. It can be done as, let's say, first case I have been taking x2 equal to 1. In second case, no. In first case I have to calculate value of xt. In second case I have to take x3 as fraction. In first case x3 equal to 0. In second case x2 equal to 0. xt will be some fraction value. xt equal to 10 by 15. 10 is the remaining weight and x2 is the w2. That means second object's weight. Okay, remaining weight by second object's weight. Then we will get 0.6. After filling this, we have no more space to be filled, so x3 equal to 0. Next we have to find Pixi. Pixi is equal to P1x1 plus P2x2 plus P3x3. That means P1 means 20 into 1 plus 25 into x2 means 0.6 plus 15 into 10. Sorry, 0. x3 value is 0. Okay, then we will get 20 into 0.6 is 15, which is equal to 35. Okay, now in second case I have been taking x3 as a fraction. After filling first object, we have some space remaining. For that space we have to make fraction of either x2 or x3. equal to 0.5. Then x2 equal to 0 here. Now we need to find Pixi. Pixi equal to P1 x1, that means 20 into 1 plus 25 into 0 because x2 is 0 plus 15 into 0.5. Then we will get 27.5. Okay, this is the profit here. Now we need to fill second object here, that means cash. That means second equal to 1. If x2 equal to 1, here x1 or x3 will be taken as a fraction values. Okay, then m minus x2 equal to 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 is the remaining space. Okay, first again. Yes, we need to take x1 as a fraction, that x1 equal to free space, which is 5 by x1's weight. x1's weight is 10 equal to 0.5. Then x3 equal to 0 because no more space is present to fill into knapsack by using x3. We need to find Pixi. Pixi, which is equal to P1 x1 plus P2 x2 plus P3 x3. P1 x1 is 20 into fraction value 0.5 plus P2 x2 means 25 into 1 plus 15 into 0. Then the total value is 35. Now in second case, take x3 into fraction, that means x3 equal to free space 5 divided by x3's weight is 18. The value equal to 0.2. Okay, now we need to find x1. x1 equal to 0 here because no more it is present. Okay, now we need to find Pixi. P1 x1 plus P2 x2 plus P3 x3. P1 x1 means 20 into 0 plus 25 into 1 plus 15 into 0. The value equal to 28. In third case, equal to 1, that means here first we have to inserting third object. We insert third object, then there will be remaining space as 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 2 will be the remaining space. In that place of 2, we need to include part of a either x1 or x2. In first case, take fraction as x1. Means we need to find the fraction value. Free space by x1's value is 10, which is equal to 0.2. Then we need to find x2 value. X2 value is 0. Why we got x2 value 0? Because there is no more capacity present to be included. Okay. Next we need to find Pi xi. Then calculate Pi xi value. That means P1 x1 plus P2 x2 plus P3 x3. P1 20. X1 how much? 0. Sorry. X1 is 0.2. 225. X2 is 0 plus P3 15. X3 is 1. Then the value equal to 19. Okay. Next, we need to find second case. In second case, after including third object, include second object. So we need to find fraction for second object. 2 by remaining space by second object's weight, that is 15. Then it is equal to 0.1. X1 is how much? 0. Then we need to find Pi xi. 20 into 0, P1 x1 plus P2 means 25 into 2 is 0.1 plus x3 is 15 into 1. Then the total value is 17.5. Okay, this is the way you need to find fractional knapsack problem. Here just you need to remember only one thing. What is that? After including any one objects, we need to include remaining two also. For that we have to making those objects into some portions. So we have to including only some portions of those remaining objects to fill the capacity of a bag completely. Here main motto is we are going to fill the knapsack completely by making the portions into fractions. So this is the efficient way to fill the knapsack completely. This is efficient way knapsack completely by making fractions of objects. Okay, thank you.